Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Bitcoin USD recent developments and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
Bitcoin has gained 10.1% in the last 3 sessions. The ultimate oscillator is receding into the positive area. The euro-dollar pair has remained as is in the last session. The RSI transitioned into the neutral zone. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.2% in the last session. The MACD has shifted sharply into negative territory. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 1.5% in the last 2 sessions. Stochastic shifted sharply into negative territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
The UK competition regulators said that it would investigate NVIDIA's $40 billion takeover of ARM, the largest ever deal in the semiconductor industry. Many British businesses struggled during lockdown in November, according to a major survey which bodes poorly for the economy as new restrictions to tackle a fresh surge in COVID cases kick in. Ripple Labs Inc., whose XRP token is the world's 3rd largest cryptocurrency, was sued by a UK investment company after the US SEC claimed the virtual tokens were sold improperly.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
UK's market construction PMI will be released at 9:30 GMT, the US trade balance at 13:30 GMT, the Eurozone's consumer confidence at 10:00 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US ISM services PMI at 1500 GMT, the Eurozone's retail sales at 10:00 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.